What is up guys, Danny this side. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to accept ACH payments with Stripe. So first off, head over to Google or any browser, type in Stripe. And after opening a first official website of Stripe, you will be welcome to this homepage of Stripe. On the right side, click on Dashboard. So you will be redirected to the dashboard, but remember, I have already logged in. So that is why now, after coming to the main home page, on your right side, click on Settings and then hover a bit and just scroll a bit down. You will see the options of payments. Click on this option and after that, click on Payment Methods. And from here, you just have to scroll a bit down and you will see Direct ACH Payments. And if you don't find ACH, you can see this BECS Direct Debit. It is also kind of similar, but not the original ACH. Yeah, but you can turn it on. So it will work kind of similar like the ACH payments and debit payments. And so this is how, if you don't want to, or if you are not able to find ACH payments, you can go for one of these options. And if you find the ACH payments in your Stripe website or application, just simply turn it on and you will be able to accept ACH payments with Stripe. So that was all for this video, guys. Thank you for watching.